Which structure is known as the gateway to the cortex? Thalamus, hypothalamus, corpus callosum, cerebellum. The correct answer is option A, thalamus. Which part of the brain controls emotions like love, anger and pleasure? Cerebellum, hypothalamus, limbic system, medulla oblongata. The correct answer is option C, limbic system. Which part of the brain is responsible for reasoning, decision making and problem solving? Occipital lobe, frontal lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe. The correct answer is option B, frontal lobe. Which part of the brain is involved in speech production? Broca's area, occipital lobe, cerebellum, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Broca's area. Which neurotransmitter is primarily involved in mood regulation? Dopamine, serotonin, acetylcholine, glutamate. The correct answer is option B, serotonin. The longest nerve in the human body is sciatic nerve, vagus nerve, optic nerve, facial nerve. The correct answer is option A, sciatic nerve. The myelin sheet is produced by Schwann cells, dendrites, axons, glial cells. The correct answer is option A, Schwann cells. The largest number of neurons are found in cerebrum, cerebellum, spinal cord, brainstem. The correct answer is option B, cerebellum. Which cranial nerve slows the heart rate? Trigeminal nerve, hypoglossal nerve, vagus nerve, optic nerve. The correct answer is option C, vagus nerve. Which of the following is responsible for the production of cerebrospinal fluid? Choroid plexus, medulla oblongata, hippocampus, thalamus. The correct answer is option A, choroid plexus. Which lobe of the brain processes sound and speech? Temporal lobe, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe. The correct answer is option A, temporal lobe. The part of the brain responsible for memory is cerebellum, hippocampus, medulla oblongata, hypothalamus. The correct answer is option B, hippocampus. Nerves that carry both sensory and motor signals are called motor nerves, sensory nerves, mixed nerves, cranial nerves. The correct answer is option C, mixed nerves. Where is cerebrospinal fluid found? Inside the brain only, in the spinal cord only, in the ventricles and subarachnoid space, in the blood vessels. The correct answer is option C, in the ventricles and subarachnoid space. The relay station of the brain is the hypothalamus, thalamus, cerebrum, medulla oblongata. The correct answer is option B, thalamus. The gaps between the myelin sheet of a neuron are called synapses, nodes operanware, axon terminals, dendrites. The correct answer is option B, nodes operanware. The structure responsible for transmitting signals to the next neuron is axon terminal, soma, dendrite, myelin sheet. The correct answer is option A, axon terminal. The neurotransmitter responsible for muscle contraction is serotonin, acetylcholine, dopamine, GABA. The correct answer is option B, acetylcholine. Which ion is crucial for nerve impulse transmission? Calcium, potassium, sodium, both B and C? The correct answer is option D, both B and C. Which structure connects the left and right hemispheres of the brain? Corpus callosum, medulla oblongata, pons, thalamus. The correct answer is option A, corpus callosum. The release of neurotransmitters at a synapse occurs through a process called diffusion, exocytosis, endocytosis, osmosis. The correct answer is option B, exocytosis. The resting potential of a neuron is maintained by sodium-potassium pump, calcium channels, neurotransmitters, action potentials. The correct answer is option A, sodium-potassium pump. The process by which a neuron passes an electrical signal along its axon is called action potential, synaptic transmission, resting potential, graded potential. The correct answer is option A, action potential. The cerebrospinal fluid circulates through all of the following except subarachnoid space, spinal cord, brain ventricles, axon terminals. The correct answer is option D, axon terminals. Which nerve carries impulses to the brain? Sensory nerve, motor nerve, mixed nerve, cranial nerve. The correct answer is option A, sensory nerve. Which part of the nervous system is responsible for involuntary actions like heart rate and digestion? Somatic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, autonomic nervous system, peripheral nervous system. The correct answer is option C, autonomic nervous system. Parkinson's is caused by a deficiency of dopamine, serotonin, GABA, acetylcholine. The correct answer is option A, dopamine. Which part of the brain is associated with vision processing? Temporal lobe, frontal lobe, occipital lobe, parietal lobe. The correct answer is option C, occipital lobe. What is the gap between two neurons called? Dendrite, axon, synapse, node of Ranvier. The correct answer is option C, synapse.